we want to do space survey as an interior designer. So you do a space survey of your space. So we are going to measure this space. You measure the window, measure the door, measure the wall. So after measurement, then you will draw it in a paper. Here is the dining. This space here we are measuring now is the parlor and the dining. So we are starting from this space. Any wall that does not have opening, like window or door or opening opening space, the wall we call it simple wall. But here, this wall now have an opening space. This will have windows, to have doors. So here we call it compound wall. Here is compound wall. Here is simple wall. So let's start. We are starting from here. What the measure we want to get now is we want to get the width of the wall, the height of the wall. We call it a headroom, the height, the width. Now in the window, we get the window measurement, the width of it. We get the window height. Now we get the slim height. The slim height is from the ground to the bottom of the window. That is the slim height. Then for door, we get the door height and the door width. The same thing. So here now is empty opening. Empty opening. So we get the height of it and the width of it. So let's go. You can see here we have socket. We have socket here. So we put it into consideration when we are drawing it. A socket here. There is also socket here. Here is switch. Okay, here is socket. Here is socket. The other one here is switch. So the width is 597 centimeter. See, 597 centimeter. 97 centimeter. Now, in the window now we get the slim height. The slim height is from the down to the bottom of the window. The slim height is 66 centimeter. The slim height is 66 centimeter. You understand? Then this is the slim height. Here now is the window height. The window height here now is 139 centimeter. That is the window height. 139 centimeter. The width is 118.4 centimeter. This 110 here is 8, so it's 118.5 centimeter. Now we measure this space. This space here is 32.3 centimeter. That is the space. Then we enter into another window. This another window now. The window width is 116 centimeter. This is 116 centimeter. And the height is 138 centimeter. 138 centimeter. The slim height of the window. The slim height of the window is 63.8 centimeter. So if you have seen, we have gotten this space, the measurement of the wall, this side. Now we have gotten from here to here. So we are taking the note of these two windows now and the space. Now let's measure this space. This space is 135.5 centimeter. This is 130. This is 30. This is 30. This is 5, and this is 5 here. So you say 35.5 centimeter. So here is 35.5 centimeter. That is this space. Now we go to door. This is the main door in the house. So this is when you are coming inside the space, you see the main entrance or the main door. This is the main door. Now let's measure the space. The width of the door. The width of the door is 104.5 centimeter. 104.5 centimeter. That is the door width. The door height is 230.7 centimeter. 230.7 centimeter. So we are getting the door width and the door height. So let's measure this space. This space is this space now. This wall is 29 centimeter. The door height is 204 centimeter. And the door width is 75.6 centimeter. This wall gives us 20 centimeters. So we have gotten measurements. We have gotten this measurement, and we have gotten this measurement. Now let's go to this wall. So you can see there's a socket here. There's a switch here. You put into consideration when you are drawing it. There's another. This one is socket. This one is switch. So here you get 54.4 centimeter. That's what this is giving us. Now here we call here empty opening. Empty opening. You call your 80 opening. Now you measure the width of it. The width of it is 89 centimeter. That is the width. 89 centimeter. Now you measure the height. The height is the headroom. We call it headroom because it's from the up. You see how you can put your tape. So here is 291 centimeter. That is the height, the headroom. If you want to measure long, if you want to measure long wall, you first of all put your tape to that wall. Put your tape to that wall. Then you draw it. Use your nail and hold it. Then I bring it down. This is or there is two ways. You can put your tape down and raise it up. Then don't stretch yourself, but anywhere your hand can reach, you hold it. Then you draw it. You draw the tape. You draw the tape to that measurement. You understand? Just 291 centimeters. So we have measured this space. Hold on. I measured this space now. So we want to measure this side. This is a passage. So we measure this side from here. You go over this side. So here is 30 centimeters. Then this is the wall. This is the door. The door is 198 centimeters. And the width is 81.7 centimeters. Now after you measure this is about 3 centimeters. So you put it under consideration when you are doing it. So you measure this width now. Measure this wall. This wall is 96. Okay, 95.6 centimeters. Now this is 92 centimeter width. This is the door now. 92 centimeter. Okay, 85 centimeter. That is the door width. And the door height is 199 centimeter. That is the door height. So we are through with the door. Then we are measuring this wall. This is giving us 158 centimeter. 158 centimeter. Then we are making another door. This is another door. You will take the width of the door. This 82 centimeter. The height is 201 centimeter. Then this is another space. This is 129 centimeter. 129 centimeter. This is the width from here to here, 129 centimeter. Now here is dining. This is dining. Here is dining. And this is the entrance or the space opening space. Sorry, empty opening. Here is empty opening that demarcates the dining and the parlor. So we take the measurement of it. Here you can put it dining curtain, or you can leave it open depending on the choice of the owner. So the width of it is 209 centimeter. Then the height is from this beam to down. This is 258 centimeter. We are getting the empty opening. Then we come this side. Here is 34.2 centimeter. 34.2 centimeter. This door measurement is 88 centimeter. The door height is 198.5 centimeter. 198.5 centimeter. Here is 129 centimeter. 129 centimeter. Just go here and video the work so that we see it. So we are measuring this space. Let's pay so that I will measure its foundation. Although you put it, but we will measure the wall. Okay, this potato now, you no longer measure from you not measure to this side, you measure to where this potato stops. So what you do is that you see you measure this 30 centimeter. Now this potato now you need at the window. This is 137.2 centimeter. You understand? So here is 33 centimeters. So you can see we are taking the full measurement of this space. You understand? We are taking full measurement of this space. So now after the measurement, we draw it as an interior designer. We draw it in a paper. Then so that you know what and what you put. Like here now, the owner can choose to put a TV console here. You understand? So that is all.